At a meeting of the OPEC export countries in Isfahan Tuesday, President Mahmoud Ahmadinejad declared that the record high prices for oil is fake and deliberate, that the oil market supplies are plentiful, and blamed the weakening of the US dollar for the skyrocketing prices.
در حالی که رشد مصرف کمتر از رشد تولید است و بازار انباشته از نفت است، قیمت‌ها روند تصاعدی خود را طی می‌کند و این وضعیت کاملاً مصنوعی و تحمیلی است.
Oil prices have reached a record high of $140 per barrel, sparking protests worldwide, with traders caught between a weaker dollar and expectations that top exporter Saudi Arabia will ramp its output. Ahmadinejad said he believes that the oil should be sold in a basket of currencies.
می‌دانید که کاهش ارزش برابری دلار و افزایش قیمت انرژی دو روی یک سکه هستند که از عوامل نابسامانی‌های اخیر معرفی می‌شوند.
The US and other consumers want producers to boost their output, but Iran, which is the fourth largest exporter in the world, has said it sees no need and suggested that a bank of OPEC members be created to act as a counterweight.